Friends, welcome back to Bust That Kitchen. Now, in today's episode, we are featuring stewed potatoes along with a savory egg omelet. And these are the ingredients that are involved. Okay, for the potatoes, we've already peeled it and washed it. We have onions over here, green onions. We have multiple colored bell peppers. This for the omelet. This will go with the omelet. This vegetables with the eggs. We have parsley, chopped parsley over here. We have this little smoky sausage that will go with the potatoes. We have our all-purpose seasoning. This kitchen bouillon, chicken bouillon, some salt, and some butter here. All right, this is also going to go with the omelet. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and start with the potatoes. So folks, don't forget to subscribe to my channels, like, give me a thumbs up, and hit the notification button so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Let's go. Okay, now we are back. Now we're going to put the potatoes in the pot. It's already washed. All right, now when you put your water in the potatoes, we are not going to drain it, so don't put a whole lot. We want it to cook and evaporate. So now we'll put in our vegetables. There's the onions, the pepper, the sausage, green onions, the chicken bouillon, put in about 1/4 of a cup. Our all-purpose seasoning. And then the salt. Put in about 3/4 tablespoon of salt. So everything is in there now. We're going to put in the olive oil. Put about 1/4 cup. And then we're going to put about a tablespoon of butter. If you don't want the butter, you don't have to put it. So here goes the tablespoon of butter. All right, we'll turn on the stove at medium high. And then cover it up and allow it to cook. So we'll come back and show you as it cooks. Oh, the potato's been on for about 15 minutes, so let's check how it's looking at. Okay, it's looking pretty good. So we're gonna let it get tender and then we'll go from there. All right, now it's been about half an hour. So we're gonna check the potatoes and see for doneness. All right, man, smelling so good. Woo. Wow, the aroma is amazing. Unbelievable. Let me check for doneness. Yeah, we're almost there. Maybe about another 5 minutes. But like I told you, this is a stewed potatoes. So we'll come back and we'll finish it. Okay, the potato should be done by now. So we just we'll turn off the stove, and then we'll mash it a little bit. That's it. We're gonna leave it chunky. So that's good enough. We'll set it aside, and then we'll work on our egg omelet. the final stage, we're gonna add the chopped parsley. Then we'll mix it up. Okay, so that's it. We are good for now. Now we're back to the eggs. We'll spray our skillet, turn on the stove to medium. Whilst we prepare our eggs, so maybe mix it together. Yeah, we're gonna put about a tablespoon and a half of olive oil. We'll mix the eggs, put in a little bit of all-purpose seasoning, a little bit of chicken bouillon, and then mix our vegetables. Yeah, we're gonna scramble it a little bit to make it uniformly mix all the vegetables. Okay. All right. So we flip the omelet, and we're gonna allow it to cook a little bit more. It's almost done. Yep, our omelet is ready. So we plate it. Friends. Alright friends, welcome back. So now this is our final dish. We're gonna go and assemble it and taste it and see how it came out. Gonna dish a little bit in here. The potatoes. Get some of this scrambled eggs. Garnish it with a little bit of green onions. Now let's check out our work. This is good. This is good. Friends, taste this, try this, and you will never try eating other potatoes. This is yummy. It is delicious. The best potatoes you ever have. Thank you for coming. Don't forget to subscribe. Give me a thumbs up, share, and hit the notification button so you get some more of my upcoming videos. Thanks for coming. Bon appetit.